These are the best MT4 brokers in the USA in 2025. I'm Noam.
And I'm Justin. We've been comparing Forex brokers for over a decade now, and we've been looking at the latest when it comes to CFD and Forex trends.
In this video, we review the best brokers offering MT4 in the United States in 2025. All right, Justin, let's get into it. New year 2025, America, huge market. We are looking very specifically in this video at Forex brokers that offer the OG, MetaTrader 4, okay? So predominantly brokers that are offering, currency trading, Forex broking. Who was like the number one on our list in the USA in 2025 that offers MT4?
Yeah, so I think that's the key thing is that before I go into it, two elements here. They have to offer MT4 and they have to be regulated in the US by the CFTC and the NFA. So, and there's very few brokers that are regulated, and we strongly recommend that US traders only choose a broker regulated in the region. Yep. Now, from that limited list that we had, OANDA were the clear standouts, and OANDA overall are the best US broker in the USA. So there's a few key reasons. So first of all, it's there's two types of accounts. There's something called a raw account and there's something called standard account. We recommend OANDA for the standard account. They have the best standard account. A standard account has no commission rate. So it's the only fees that the broker predominantly are charging you is the spread, and OANDA have some of the lowest spreads of any broker worldwide. So we're saying the fees are really good. They offer the trading platform, so with MT4 they have advanced tools and a fast execution speed, which is the second element that we've got. Third element that we've got really comes down to the customer service and the level of education they offer traders. And then the final element is really talking about the range of markets. So they offer a lot of currency markets, a lot of options of different tradable instruments. And look, at the end of the day, when it comes to surveys that's done worldwide by people like Investment Trends, OANDA consistently come up as one of the top brokers when it comes to customer satisfaction. And you can see it also for like a third-party site like Trustpilot. So it's this combination of factors and the fact that they're really well regulated based in the US that make OANDA a very clear winner when it comes to MT4 in USA.
Okay, so that's OANDA at number one for MT4 in the US in 2025. At number two on the list, we have Forex.com. What can you tell the guys about Forex.com?
Okay, so I said OANDA, standard account, but there's another account. There's something called an ECN or raw account. So when we look at that, that's got a spread and a commission. And again, there's limited numbers of brokers that in the US with local regulation that have that account type and that offer MT4, and Forex.com obviously is that broker, and their spreads are some of the lowest of any broker with this account type. Mm-hmm. Their commission rate pretty much on par with most of the other brokers. So overall, if you're looking for a raw account with low fees, they're your option. And then of course their MT4 platform, very solid, very well known broker with a few additional brands such as City Index in other jurisdictions, good range of markets, and look, the customer service pretty solid. We both opened an account last year with them. We had another staff member open an account just recently as part of our evaluation process. Really easy to onboard, low minimum deposit, and pretty seamless the whole experience when opening an account with MT4. So we're giving a pretty strong thumbs up on them. But once again, not for their standard account where their spreads were higher than OANDA. And we say if you want a no commission account, probably Forex.com isn't ideal. Go for OANDA in that case.
Okay, so that's Forex.com at number two on the list. At number three on the list, we have the artist formerly known as IG or TastyFX. Talk to the guys back home about TastyFX.
Let's just go over that one more. IG markets, most people here will be familiar. They're no longer called IG in US only, they're now called TastyFX. It's a interesting name. We'll leave it at that. We're not going to give any more commentary. And look, we're saying IG, they're one of the best known brokers, and we think they really excel for US audience when it comes to beginner traders. They just really work this out of how, MetaTrader 4 can be a bit difficult to join, and there's an onboarding process, and obviously for Noam and me, it's like the back of our hand, but we do watch new traders and the experiences that they go through, and the feedback we get constantly is that they really like IG. They found it's got the sign-in form is fast. They get approved straight away. They get a dedicated account manager. The educational material on the website is excellent. They give a lot of market insights every day. So it's that information, education, customer service, onboarding experience, low minimum deposit. It's all these components, which is why people like TastyFX. Their fees are higher. That's going to be a factor more if you're an intermediate to expert trader versus Forex.com and OANDA. But obviously, if you're a new beginner trader, you're unlikely to trade high volume. So we say IG is worth considering if you're a new trader.
Okay, so let's just summarize it for everybody back home. At number 3 on the list, we had TastyFX, formerly known as IG. They are the best MT4 broker in the US for beginner traders. Their onboarding, the customer service, the support, the knowledge center, all really schmick and all really helpful for beginner traders.
Yeah, low minimum deposit. You can open a demo account and just get used to MT4. Good broker if you want to go down that avenue.
Okay, at number 2 on the list we had Forex.com, and we like them for their raw account. They had like the lowest spreads for MT4 in the US.
So remember, there's spreads and there's commission. These more experienced traders that do stuff algorithmically generally prefer a raw account, and Forex.com has the best package for these types of traders.
And at number 1 on the list, our best US-based Forex broker offering MT4 in 2025 is OANDA. Why OANDA in a sentence?
Sure, so their no commission account, the standard account, has some of the lowest spreads of any broker worldwide. Outstanding customer service, very easy to use, and just probably one of the most trusted brokers in the world, based in the US.
There you have it, guys. The best US-based brokers offering MT4 in 2025. If you like the sound of any of these Forex brokers, we've attached links in the description down below where you can read a little bit more up about each broker or proceed to the Forex Brokers website to sign up. Also let us know in the comment section down below if there are any videos such as this one that you'd like us to create for you in 2025 to assist you on your trading journey. Please don't hesitate to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and tell your friends all about us. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.